The Chrysler 62TE is a 6-speed automatic transmission. It was produced in the US from 2006 to 2020 and was installed on such popular models like the Pacific, Sebring, and Dodge Journey. This transmission is a part of the Ultradrive family, which includes lots of other transmissions like 40TE, 41AE, 42LE, and so on. Let's take a closer look at the Chrysler 62TE transmission common issues. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Slipping, erratic shifting, harsh forward or reverse gear engagement. Slipping between gears, erratically shifting up or down, or a loud slam when the 62TE transmission engages drive or reverse are a few of the most frequent issues. This transmission has a number of design flaws, and any one of them could be the source of these symptoms. Engine stalls while in drive or during coast down. Problem: when the gear selector is in the drive position, drivers may experience an engine stall. Additionally, when coasting to a stop, they might observe that the engine starts to run erratically rough or stalls. Solution: the torque converter clutch may engage when it shouldn't due to mechanical failure with the electronically modulated converter clutch variable force solenoid, or EMC-CVFS solenoid, which may be the cause of these 62TE transmission issues. The EMCC solenoid will need to be changed in order to solve the issue. Transmission shifts into neutral. Problem: the vehicle may shift into neutral after the first or second shift, which drivers may notice. The transmission may become locked in third gear and the car may enter limp mode as a result. In some cases, the car might not move at all, in which case limp mode won't work until the engine is turned off and restarted. Solution: problems with the 62TE transmission are frequently brought on by low clutch housing sealing ring lands that are worn out. Place the housing and perhaps the piston from the direct clutch to remedy this situation. The overheating issue is another typical one. This occurs when the friction heat produced by the moving parts inside the transmission exceeds what the ATF can dissipate. Towing large loads, operating a vehicle in stop-and-go traffic, or traveling on mountain roads where the transmission shifts frequently are the most frequent causes of this condition. In general, the transmission is quite simple and reliable without ambitious ideas to surpass CF and A's in automatic transmissions in terms of efficiency and dynamics. Therefore, the 90% of its problems relate to the oil and filter change and sometimes cleaning the valve body with the repair of the donut, also known as torque converter. A 62TE overhaul usually requires a set of gaskets and seals, a filter, and a whole set of clutches. The rest is ordered after opening and troubleshooting. If you're looking for the Chrysler 62TE transmission manual, I will paste a link in the first pinned comment of this video. Hope this information was useful for you. If so, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel.